the entrance walls have all been completed leading you up to the chateau, and when you come around off the road actually leading you up to the chateau, I can't tell you, they just look absolutely brilliant. We need to finish it off now though, so we need some gates for down there. Luckily Terry found some on Facebook Marketplace. They're cheap, they're tatty, and with everything else that Terry tends to buy needs a lot of work to make them look magnificent again, I suppose. So we're going to get on with that this week, so I'm going to go and get me worky gear on and crack on. And that's us all done, mate.
Yep.
4 hinges on, you came and helped me with the last one.
Yep.
How was it?
Good.
Was it good? Was it easy? It was?
Yeah.
Why'd you have to take your top off then? Because it's hard work, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you were still sat there with your tongue out.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were.
No,
You were concentrating. You were.
Yeah. I was.
Yeah, but it's all good. Thank you for your help, mate.
Yeah.
We'll put these away, get everything put away,
Yeah.
and then we'll get ready to build the pillars next.
Yeah.
Good job. Come on then.
Okay, so another lovely morning here. So while Troy and Terry starting the wall down at the bottom gates, and in between me mixing cement, These gates just need a rubbing off, just all the old rust to get off it, and then Ash is going to respray them all white, which will look absolutely beautiful down the bottom. So we've got 2. I've started 1, and now I'm just going to get all these little bits of rust off, just with a little wire brush on the drill, so nothing drastic, and then ready for Ash to give a spray paint.
The entrance all done.
Yes, yes.
It's looking amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Just needs rendering now, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Which is
yeah.
your job for the next few days.
Yep, so I've got to hand over spraying to you.
Yeah,
I've
I'm
got to show
excited.
Tracy how to spray now. It's all
Yeah.
good. It's dead easy, promise
Yeah.
you, it's dead easy.
These are the gates that are going to go down there. I've spent the last few days just sanding them, so now you are going to spray them.
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
So we've got Hammerite straight to metal paint, so although you've took all the rust off, which is great, this stops it coming through as well
Yeah.
anyway, so it's really good. So all we're going to do is 2 paint, 1 thinners,
Right.
so it can go through the spray nozzle.
Yeah.
And then
Louis looking
we'll,
forward to it.
Louis just stuck his nose in the paint,
He wants to
just
help.
wondering where it was. So yeah, we do 2 to 1,
Yeah.
and then we'll go from there.
Yeah. Brilliant. I'm excited.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Your
This
first
is
go?
my first time.
Welcome.
Right, I'm at the second gate now. The first one didn't go too bad actually. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So while the weather's good, I'm just going to get a couple, probably about 4 coats it takes just to get it all nice. So I'm going to get on with this now and then get all the finishing touches over the next few days. So here we go.
So as you all know and can see, Patrick's the boss round here. He likes to think he's the lord of the manor. Well, with the help of today's sponsor of today's video, Established Titles, he's now a lord. How good is that? We've managed to make him a lord. He's the lord of the chateau. They're absolutely superb, and they're all about preserving the environment as well, which is why we love them. For every lordship or ladyship title that you buy, they'll plant a tree. And that means preserving the area in Scotland that they're looking after. It's just a magnificent thing to be a part of. Check out the link in the description today, and I'm sure they've got sales on as we speak.
Right, all the white's finished now. It's looking fantastic, better than I thought it would have done. So now the next job is just to do a little tiny bit of detailing on all the little bits and bobs that are on the gate. Terry being what he is, wouldn't go for just white, it has to have something else on it. So that's the next step, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that in a bit. But yeah, I think it'll look, to be honest, I think it will look good when it is all on and you approach the gates and see it. It will look fantastic. So I'll get on with that anyway.
Well, Tracy's done an amazing job again.
Yep, honestly they're looking absolutely fantastic. I can't believe how well they've turned out.
Yeah, from a rusty piece of blue metal
Yeah.
to something that, I mean, there's a couple of bits need doing on it just to finish them, but they do look good.
Yeah, they do. I think the colour combination as well works really well.
Absolutely beautiful.
It's going to blend in with what you're doing all around the place with the little bits of finishing touches.
Yeah, well the gold that we've used, it's like it's called hammered copper.
Yeah.
So it's not gold in your face, and it is like the colour that we're using to highlight certain things around the chateau.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
it does look
It's
good.
just nice and subtle, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. Yeah.
And the gate aren't actually going here. We've just brought them out here just to do the chats. They will be going at the new entrance at the very front. So once that's rendered, which Ash and Tony are on with.
Yep, it's just been, we've got a bit of
It's just
awful
finding
weather.
the right day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
'Cause
gotta
the
be-
wea-
you've
yeah,
gotta
it
have
has
the right
to be the right
conditions.
temperature and everything to do rendering, doesn't it? Really?
And we've had showers every day for a week, so that's
Yeah.
sort of stalling things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just can't risk it because it'll just run and make it look terrible. So
Yeah.
But I can't wait to see them finish. Just looking at them now, honestly, it just looks so different.
Different, yeah, compared to what
how
it was like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Jonathan's been busy helping out, haven't you?
Yep.
Yep.
So-
Help paint the...
You helped paint the hinges,
Yep.
and you helped put the hinges on as well, didn't you?
Yep.
Oh, very
So you've
clever.
been busy. Yeah,
Very, very clever.
doing very good.
I know.
And I've been working away. I'm trying to get some videos sorted to do a reveal on the third floor,
It's
so you
exciting.
can see that. Obviously, we haven't got the hard drive fixed just yet, so bear with me because I am trying to piece bits together. But hopefully, we'll be able to get that sorted in the next coming weeks.
And we'll have some big news.
Yeah,
Oh, very big.
some exciting news
Yeah.
coming in the next few weeks. Well,
Yeah.
beginning of next month, anyway, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'll
At
be,
the end of this month, we'll be able to tell you all about it. So keep an eye on our Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, an early Christmas present, really.
Yeah.
So if
it
you're not
is.
Yeah.
subscribed already on Facebook and Instagram, give us a like on there and you'll
Yeah,
be able
definitely.
to
You'll
see the
be
updates.
able to find out what's going on. It is really big news, really good, exciting.
Yeah.
Not only will Terry finally have a reveal of upstairs,
Yeah,
but there's just lots of other things, and it is going to be really exciting.
yeah. But
Just
it's
for us.
what
It's been a year's work
I was just about to
into
say.
this.
It's
Yeah,
been over a year's
year
work.
and a half's work.
yep.
Yeah,
It's gone into this, and it's been fun
Yeah.
and challenging, but it's been good. And so yeah, in a few weeks' time, you'll see what it's all about.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's exciting. So yeah, some exciting stuff. So bear with us. Like I said, I'm still piecing files together.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
it's all coming together. But gates are looking amazing.
Yep.
Yeah.
The walls are looking amazing.
Yeah, we're getting there.
And the road's actually looking like a proper,
It does.
a grand entrance to a grand old lady now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fantastic.
it is.
Mm-hmm. And I think that's about it for Sunday.
Yep.
That's about all of it. So, as usual, hope you've enjoyed watching the transformation of these gates now, because they do look fantastic. If you have, please like and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel, because as we keep telling you, it does make a massive difference to us, and we do appreciate your efforts. And Terry will be weaving his magic with our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube links somewhere around Jonathan's chin, I reckon.
On
So-
Nana's hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Somewhere down there.
with that, we better get on and find something to do, because while the weather's like this and it's stopped raining, we've got a few opportunities to get some more work done.
Yeah.
Make the most of it.
Yeah.
And we'll see you all Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah, we don't know what's happening because we're still waiting for the worktops to get sorted for the cottage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
They did say it was about 4 weeks, but that's a French 4 weeks, so realistically
It
that's
could be
8.
4 months.
We're hoping for Christmas, but we're not sure which one.
yeah, We'll
That's
see.
the way it is. So we'll see what happens Wednesday. We're not sure.
yeah.
But till then,
Right.
Right,
Bye.
let's go and get some
Bye.
work
Come on
done.
then.
come on then,
Let's get
mister.
started.
Come on, Patrick.
If you'd like to join us on our family journey, bringing back this once forgotten chateau, then please join us on Patreon with behind the scenes footage, updates, live chats, and your very own piece of the chateau.